Sixth feature, touch mode or mouse mode. If you are working on a touch screen device, you can enable this feature to create more space in ribbon, making commands easier to tap with your fingers. Okay, let me show you. Okay, press and hold, release the any button on the quick access toolbar, then tap customized quick access toolbar. Okay, under the popular commands, tap touch mode or mouse mode. Click select. Okay, you turn on the touch off mode. Okay, then tap the button again. You will have two options. One is the standard ribbon and commands optimized for use with mouse. This is usually the default option which available in all documentation. This option is convenient for using in laptop or desktop or any PC work. And if you use the touch device, then use this option. It creates a more space in ribbon, so you can access easily the options with your fingers. However, those with touch enabled screens may find it challenging to select the commands using this option, because it increases the option, but it have a challenge that you should know whether the particular option is available in that group. Okay, but in that normal mode, mouse mode, you'll have a option of seeing that features easily. But when you go for a touch mode or mouse mode, the commands which expands that closes the option, you have to move your fingers. That is a challenging part here. Okay, so better use the mouse mode for laptop or desktop and use the touch mode for the touchscreen devices. Okay. Seventh feature, how to write equation in MS Word. Microsoft Office contains almost all symbols that you can generate mathematical operations and chemical formulas in Microsoft Word. Let me show you. Okay. First, insert a present equation. Click Insert tab in the ribbon. Then you will find equations in symbols. Click the equation. You will find some dialog box will open. You can insert this present equation if you want. If I want to apply the Pythagoras theorem, just click the equation will come in the Word document. This is how you can insert the present equation. Then another option, you can insert the equation manually. Go to Insert option, click Equations, bit fast, Insert Equations, insert new equations. Okay, I will get the equation box. You can insert the equations based upon the symbols available here. If I want to insert some mathematical operations, I'll show you. Tan theta is equal to fractions sin theta by cos theta. Okay, if I want to insert theta, I will click here. Yes, theta. This is how you can insert the mathematical operation. There are a lot of operations available, structures available here. You can use it based upon your requirements. Okay. These are radical, integral calculus, then trigonometry, limits, matrix. So everything is available here. Based on the requirements, you can insert. Symbols also available here. The basic mathematical operations, if you want geometric operations, it is also available here. Greater than, less than, angles. Okay. So it is based upon your equations you can write here. If you want to insert some chemical formulas, you have a shortcut key. Shortcut key is Alt plus equal to. Okay, you will get an equation box. I will type 2HCl plus 2Na arrow mark. I have to click here and find the arrow mark. 2NaCl plus H2. I have to click here. H. Okay. So this is how I can create an equation in Microsoft Word. Eighth feature, editing wrap points when wrapping text. When you insert a picture in the Word, it defines a series of wrap points around the picture. By the default, the wrap points that surround the picture creates a perimeter of the picture that forms a rectangle. When you wrap text around the picture, the wrap points defines the how close the text can come to the picture. Let me show you. Okay, I want to insert a tiger image here. So what do I do? Insert the picture as normally would. Go to insert picture. Stop. Sure. Okay. I will resize the image to my convenience. Sure. Then what do I do that? First, I will wrap this picture around the text. I'll go the wrap text here, or otherwise I will go to here. Okay, click here. I will do tight. So I can insert the picture here. So in wrapping text, the picture was inserted fit conveniently. Okay. Now you can choose the wrap points, edit wrap points. It is available here. Okay. when you click when you do the right click, the box will open, or otherwise click here, you will get it. Okay, edit wrap points. Now you find that 4 wrap points that forms the perimeter of this image. Okay, you can move this wrap point wherever you want. You can move. Okay, now at the backdrop you can see the movement of text. Whenever I move the wrap point, the text will move based upon my movement of the wrap point. If I want to keep this wrap point here, the text will move here. Okay, so because I give the tight option, it is very difficult to see the movement of the text. So I can expand the movement. Yes. Now you can see the movement of text that looks around the image. Okay. Format, edit wrap points. Okay. If this kind of operations is useful in design operations basically.